This is Safari Wags with my safari hat. I've been called to investigate strange noises coming from the woods. You hear that? Let's find out what they are. Apparently, I'm in the middle of Owl City. Oh, my light. There's one looking down at me. There's one looking down on me. There's one looking down on me. I'm surrounded by hooty owls in the middle of the woods in the middle of the night. Alright, one last attempt for an interview. Okay, Mr. Hooty Owl. I'm about to fall down the hill, so anything you want to say? Is there another one? Holy crap, there's 4. Can you come closer so I don't fall? I keep falling. Hi. I know you attack mice, but you don't attack people, do you? Alright. Oh, alright. I'm close enough. I'm about 10 foot away. I could probably get closer, but I don't want to fall down the... Hi! Now come back. We were so close. Okay. Interview's over. Mystery solved. It's Hooty Owls.